fine, sign na. Sign na. Fine, sign na. Ano ba ka? Oh, para away mo na. Oh. Good morning. Fine. Never mind, both. Both daw magamit ra. Kasi, mo na yung sign. Oh, so okay. My name, R-O-M-U-L-O, Romulo, Coral, the third. So this is the sign name. So why man? Why sign name? Big. Ang iyang eyebrow. Oh. So mo na yung design. One half ay Indian, not Filipino. Tell when graduate course. When pass graduate graduate si Tio. Graduate to si Tio 2013. First course computer technology. Then continue education school in College of St. Benil, Manila. Top avenue for siguro na location. So I study special visitor media, multimedia arts. So Bachelor of Science, Bachelor Applied Deaf Studies. So specialized visual media na art. When graduate CSB last March 2025. Okay, so pila ka book deaf ni graduate dito? All deaf 18. So unique sa hearing pag-graduation. So sa CSB, so 10 na to. So akong ipashare sa iya yung na-learn about FSL in CSB. Nag-10 naman, Bachelor, nag-offer sila of course, Bachelor of Science in Applied Studies. Separate to subject, Deaf Studies, or katong interpreting. They have also the course nga 4-year course sa interpreting sa deaf. So tell na to. So the story now about sa na-learning mo sa FSL. So continue na ito ng imong i-share para lang. Now katong yung open mata ko content. So nag-use yung other nga computer wala sa kuha or other nga laptop wala na Apple. Nara ko yung Apple makaon. So atang i-share. So masik man i-share din na sing presenting join. May sa account pa siya. So inani ka challenging. Ang boy ka to there. So content. Or maybe share to me. Or maybe send to me. Send to me lang. Ako lang open. Send to me. Pilipino. Continue. O, wala. Alam mo ano eh? Fine na. Okay. So, here. Ayan, things ko na ta. So, easy ra, basic naman na. So, sa next na, makita pa. Hindi pa din makita. So, ato po sa kanila rin. Sorry. Present pala ko. So, window. Okay, so first, ano yung masina, no? To avoid mirror. Stop. So, ignore na kami. What? Oh. Okay, so, now, deaf awareness, Filipino deaf identity. Okay, okay. Okay. Good morning. Additional. So, while on the first, deaf awareness. See, also the Filipino Sign Language, FSL. FSL. Okay. Then, my sharing, my deaf life experience. You know, you will listen. So, sa listen niya. So, I will discuss important shit about it. So, okay. Next. Okay. So, deaf awareness and deaf culture. Now, you have the title deaf awareness. So, awareness. Know about deaf community. Who listen to the deaf community. What meaning? Unique. So, because they are unique. So, anong sign is unique? Okay. Next. So, our objective is understanding and awareness of Filipino deaf cultures and Filipino deaf communities in the bilingual communication. Own sign language because unique, and Filipino deaf community. Positive or bilingual or two speak. By man, by. Speak. Okay. English or sign to Filipino sign. Bilingual. Sign? What sign? To. Ano? So, ang sign daw. Ano? Okay, duhaman. Important communication. Okay. Next. What is Filipino deaf culture? So, you see? Okay. Filipino is unique ways to first your own uniqueness, not the same with the hearing, but experience the deaf communities focus. What mean? They have their own, own. O-W-N. Own. So, they have uniqueness, not about the same. Understand it. Individual differences gyapon. The second, the FSL, part Filipino with pass-through gestures. So, ano daw? Gesture. G-E-S-T-U-R-E-S. Gesture. Next. Next slide. Do you know about deaf culture? So, I will. So do you know about it? Sorry. Okay, so next. What the? So now you see the word deaf, visual. Important is the eyes. Because you cannot listen to the ear. The eyes is very important for the things you see, laptop, for computers, for cell phone. Important. So, meaning yours, you listen because you're hearing. Me only deaf here, so visual. So, I listen to you. Example, have eye contact, fast, not slow, because the eyes can understand for Filipino sign and communication. The second one is eye wide. We have a wide field of vision because they are strongly visual. Because eyes more strong. Cannot only focus that, but it's wide. So it is very clear and eyes will listen. So we have also example. Have you see eye to eyes, eye to eye. So you understand. You cannot eye to eye communication. But hearing person, so only listen to the ear. Next. Example. Okay. So I have examples. Have 3. Depth. Individual. Understand? Always individual. You see many Filipino have choke. So you see eye to eye communication, and you speak and understand with the eyes and laugh. Many communication, more sign communication in the eyes, and make it clear and understand. Through expression. So expression na to. Through expression. Not only limit big expression in different parts of the body. You laugh and your eyebrow. So you make expression to the face. Join together sa face o sa body. So, not only so words na. So you know feeling. So clear communication. Deaf attention. Now, deaf need attention. So you know. Okay. So you see next. Okay. So important to get a deaf person's attention. So remember, you see the word. So you tap the shoulder. No voice. So how? You need to tap the shoulder. Second, turn the lights or on or off. So you have to focus. So you cannot hear. So what you should do? So on the lights or off. So who? Tell me to focus. Important to focus. The third is wave. The window mirror. So if there is a glass in the mirror, you can sign. But how? You cannot hear. So you wait and see. So need to open the door or maybe windows. Oh, because of hearing person. And see the sign. The fourth one is the cell phone. May flashlight, nasa iyo. So flashlight, smartphone. So you can also see it when you flash the light and focus the person. The top the shoulder, the second, lights on and off, third, there it's very hard. So important, the four ideas to get the person's attention. Now, important, tap the shoulder. So if no na nga deaf, if how don't know a deaf person, how? If don't know, so it's very far. So voice, for example, deaf man. So you need to go near the on top the person's shoulder. So that is important. Next na. Toward the lights. Important. Next. So wave to get attention. So the hearing person will voice, so you meet nearer. But the deaf person will listen to the eyes. So if you're very far on this side, so you need to wave your hand. Next, we have example the light. So masi. So gamit tayo nga pong flashlight sa cellphone. So seating arrangement is important. So for the classroom, for the deaf community. So first, arrange the next. Second, glass walls and show the picture. Distance ito. So mga example sa seating arrangement. The hearing space. So manang hearing a space para sa mga. So you cannot sign far. You cannot see each other. So next. So that's why they are letter U or letter C. So best, this is the depth space. Next, or glass walls, easy, you can see clearly. If you have mirror, and you can sign. Fine, one person will pass. So it's easy to see. This one is. The distance is very far. Remember, the community of deaf is not hearing. But deaf person, farther, so you see it's waving of hands to a distance. Now, clearer about deaf awareness. Next, the Filipino deaf. Now, Filipino deaf identity. Okay? Filipino deaf people or community who are as Filipino deaf identity. Food, deaf food. From the youngest to the elderly. Own sign, own gestures, own communication, different many in Filipino. So, for identity. Unacceptable terms. No naman. Pass din na. No na. So, thank you. So, next na lang tanong term. So, nana. No na. Kanina. Deaf plus. So, wala pa ko. Example, deaf person, but they have additional disability. So, Wala siyang deaf plus ang tawag nila. So, mana. Remember, never use the word. So, mute, deaf and dumb, hearing impaired. Pero use mangyap hindi eh. Department of Education. Hearing impaired, the same sa school. Why? More na mo educated later. Okay, wala man awareness. Doktor, differently. Example, center, accept, other provinces. So you continue to use that. It's wala that. But other countries, ako visit na ko, never use. So, other na lang. So, no na. No na. Accept na. So, kana na lang. Bilingual communication. Through the bilingual education, think FSL, no, different. FSL, many signs, visual communication, but Tagalog, English, so English, but sign different. What sign? Communicate. So interact na. So pwede na next communication, hearing. Tungkol sa mga hearing communities. Filipino don't link together Tagalog, no, because Filipino identity. The same citizen. The same as a citizen of Filipino or Tagalog, Bisaya, Filipino, sign. Ano po yung sign namin sa FSL communication, bilingual, words, finger spelling, or manual alphabet. We understand the visual gesture. We know how young gestures. So, you eat, you understand. So this is the sign for eat, and this is the sign for crying. So deeper communication for everything. Filipino Sign Language, what sharing for two, English and FSL. Then, first, Filipino have FSL, unique, the same visual sign language, not Tagalog. No, why? Because important for the eyes and understand communication. But, Tagalog, English, never mind. Bisaya, true. Rules. So I just think what are they because of its own grammar and actual rules. What is the name, right? The second, FSL, name. So short here. So FSL, what is your name? Your name. What? Who? Why? What? The gesture is important. Example. What name? You see your face and ask questions. So makita lang sa face ang facial expression. See, maybe aware, sign, English, have, show, meaning. Next. Let's look. Have caption daw. So ilang di kuan video ang ilang research nila. So gloss, leveling, itong design sa gloss, cemetery, so naidaghang patay, yan ay video. Para okay. So mo na ang gloss. So mga rin niya. Kada CD, nalawa na kasi natin. Alas na lang sila. Uy, dapat din siya. How you show it, the gloss under it in English. English, you're right. The sign. Written in English. Murang guys, asa na. Going to home. So shortcut ra. Gloss. Remember the same. So see the expression, the way we explain. Prepare sa niya para sa inyo ha. Shortcut ra. Boss daw. Pero pwede na magamit ang iba. Here, see differences. Because important the sign is easy communication and understanding. If long, example is so five, ano is then, so ang difficult sa Philippines, ang nag-teach hearing. So wala conflict. So if, because Philippines always hearing, so understand, but maybe in the future, after their teacher, it gives a pass license. Give license from grade 1 to college. Para apply to here. Para aware. WFD not allowed na hearing. Ang mga kanilin na din. Ako, si Elokit mo. Basta ko rin, may rin ako din. Para aware. Sabihin mo mo, parang parang sila understand. Wala man yung pondo. Well, okay, remember, written English or Tagalog and FSL rules are different. Try to make if forget, so best you write. How it will be able to how not communicate or report sa iluman. How? Oh, for research, not iba, how man emergency cases, emergency cases, or how, before awareness. Aware. That I have telephone now one. Now sometimes it's a great emergency. So I need to reach there. Aware. Next. VGC. So visual gestural communication. Remember, without FSL, sign how communicate the gestures because start school education young pa and parents also don't know where school asaan i-teach mo ang best nga sa son or daughter nga na ang sa English so always a central na school and then the basic communication is to teach the hearing how to talk to Filipino deaf people using Filipino sign language. So, mga pareha itong ganun na. Besides, easy answer. O volunteer. Volunteer daw. Guess. Pansin na ko. Usap. Kali si Natalie. Side. Side. Kaya. No, not side. How? Not side. Kung i-communicate ka, kung gesture ba? Kung gesture. Gesture. Okay. Wala na. Idea. Ha? Ano na? Kuha na to. Okay. Next. Other na po daw. Begin sa man, Bensi. Ikaw, tingog niya. Pakita sa tagway. Bensi. Pakita sa tagway. Eh, tininoon din nga mo. Jensi. Itago man eh. Ay, tago-tago diha. O, sige na lang, si Amanda. Amanda. Amanda, pakita na. Hey, Amanda. Pakita. O, kana nga side, i-gesture with body movements. O, be. Kana. O. Dili sakto. Wala visual, wala difficult. Okay. Wala pa. Okay. So you see me. Ready? So you spell the word. Dali. Harvey. Diba? Kumang-PE. Next. Thank you. Sunod si Kristen. Ay sa akin, magpintin pa ko. Sige. Think. Spell the word. Okay. Next. Huwag sang ipang-antin. Si Ira. Sunod Ira. Tingog niya. Asa mo ka nabita? Ira, ditin, ano ka? Sige, pakita. Spilingan na. Sign. The gesture. Duha daw ka sign. First, not. Bali. Ipa-landscape. Day portrait. Kauban na. Important. We can understand. Next. Board. Itatag ko under rin. Isabela. Bisa. Wapa. Balik.
Balik sa punti. F-O-O-D.
Sign and gesture. Sign. Pod, pagod pod. Ilocos Norte na to. Exercise to. Okay, awit naman. Next. Fine. Try na to. Next. Si Ronilo. Next, Ronilo. Open. Nana. Iyo. Wala pa. Nana. Si. Tanaw na diya. Balik mo. Sign dia. Para kita. Open. Right. Mau na number 2. Kanina. Makita ang dagway. Next. Oy, nawala man. Balik, kinawala. Nagaging. Sign na. Humana. Nawala na sa sinyas, ganina. Sign na, are you hungry? No. Complete it. Ikuha ko daw sa FSL. How communication is clearer. Kung gigutom na ka. Learn pa FSL. How communication lower. Sa mga children nga sa hearing nga parents. O saan pag-istorya. O saan pagkaibaw nga gigutom na ilang mga anak. May kasi makahelp. Camel. Answer. Are you hungry? So, ano na? Pusta daw, anak. Pwede na. Sign. Pwede na. So, kung sabihan. Nagigutom ka. Hindi dito. Sige, kasabot mo yan. Next. Try to think a word using gesture with body movements. Be. Say, Shamil. Asa? Dito na. Adi, ano itong tarabon? Hindi man makita sa nagos Shamil. Hindi makita. Hinay siguro ang internet nila. Ria. Bisa makita. Basta yung pang-alpin dahil sa alpin pala ito. Ria, ako kayo na for everyone, mag-pins ako. Sige Ria, come and eat a meal with me. Suggestion. Nagbiyahe ko pero sorry. Sige, English spell yun na. Dahil pagkahuman, ano mo na ako sa sa'yo. Suggestion. Parang practice. Gesture.
Anak-anak ko meal plate.
Plate. Okay lang. See, how you gesture to the kid. Yan, solid na. Asok na mong duha. Easy communication because other than example, basketball, nag-volleyball, kung man nagutok na, so dali ka, together, so after finishing a game, para make it clearer. Okay, so 8 naman, 8 na, 1 na, 8 na, kaya na. So, kana lang sa atong i-share, bulok, now ako, thank you, bulok for sharing. Share. Sige, bye. Share, mana? Bye kasi, nanay-time lang. Napala last, share yung pagdagang experience. Okay? Okay. Lahat. now I share about myself there. Now it's form. So the picture. Okay. So manaya ang pag-graduate niya dito sa CSD. So graduate siya CSD. Bachelor of Applied Studies, Visual Arts and Multimedia. So graphic arts. So college class 2025. So this year, Visual Media Arts. 2013, so graduate siya sa STEO. So work siya sa more elevated CSD. So I choose school. Pero bante na to, scholar. So scholar siya dito sa. So full scholar, but work niya full. Share next. So ano yung work experience last time sa RGE, katong sa Fragmit. Sa Pwesto Hotel for 6 months on call. Sa Gentle Hands office assistant sa Manila sa mga dev nga katong orphan. So dev daw orphan. So next, kani ang trabaho student assistant from 2021 to 2025. So si SB na siya nag-work. So bisag skala, mag-work kaya po. So nag-work siya nga dev being 6 for 6 months. Maybe sa what man sick mama? What mama name sick? Medicine? Sa medicine. So maybe sa infection sa medicine. My family is hearing I was only deaf. So siya ra ang deaf sa ilaha. So from Mindanao to transfer sa Cebu. So from Mindanao, transfer sila sa Cebu para makapat sa education. So FSL wala pong naili sa Visayas sa Mindanao. So little self lang siya o yung mama na speak about Bisaya na speak. Thank you. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you for present today. Bye-bye.
Sir, salamat, sir.
Okay.